What's up, y'all? So in today's video, I want to talk about habits, and I'm choosing habits because it's first of all, the word habit just kept coming up to me. It just kept coming up. And what I've realized these last couple of weeks, I've been paying more attention to myself. I've been being more self aware, and I feel like I'm already hella self aware. But I've been being a lot more self aware, and I've been paying attention to habits that I have, and not even just with manifestation, just natural habits that I have on a daily basis. And I have been purposely and intentionally interrupting those habits and changing them and replacing them with something that I perceive as a healthier habit. Of course, anytime I see something and it can relate to manifestation or it can relate to law of assumption, then we get a video. So with habits, okay, habits are not just physical things that you do. Like I said, I've noticed physical habits that I have that I want to change or just replace with something that I would perceive as much healthier. But not only do we have physical habits, but we have thought patterns that are habits. We have behaviors that are habits. How we react or respond to a circumstance is a habit. And a habit is just a repeated pattern. It's just something that you're repeating. And guess what? A habit is done on autopilot. It's just something that you naturally do, that you literally don't put no thought towards. You don't think about it. You don't question it. You're just doing it on autopilot because it's natural and normal to you because it was repeated first. Like repetition got you in the habit. And then it just becomes autopilot and it just becomes something that's natural to you that you don't question. But when you become self aware and you can pinpoint your patterns or you can pinpoint your habits and you can actually label them or point them out, that's where you can actually change them. Because I'm sure you all have experienced a habit in your life that you just naturally do on autopilot, whether it is how you respond to somebody, how you respond to certain circumstances. For me personally, I realized I had certain habits that did not align with the version of myself that I desired to be. So I said to myself, how does this version, okay, let's just say the version that makes $50,000 a month, how does that version of myself act? What patterns, what habits does that version of myself have? And I started doing different things. I started checking my bank account every day. Believe it or not, I definitely wasn't that person. I always knew I had enough in there for whatever I wanted. I just never checked it. So just opening up my app, checking my bank accounts every day. Like that was a new habit that I started implementing. And because I did that, I literally started seeing more money coming in. All from me just doing a different habit because I interrupted the habit that I had of not checking my accounts, not opening it up, not knowing exactly how much money I have in there to actually opening it up and seeing what I have. That's me being the version of myself that I desire to be. I can guarantee you that there is a habit that you have that is not the healthiest for you, okay? Let's just say it's with an SP, and every time your SP does something that you don't like, you instantly get triggered and you respond. Guess what? That's a habit. That's a response habit. And if you're going to continue to respond like that, but you're affirming that your SP treats you like a queen and worships the ground that you walk on, why are you responding to a circumstance that doesn't apply to you? Why are you responding to something that is in front of you that does not align with what you desire? So, the whole goal of this video is to help you identify habits and patterns that you have that are not beneficial so you can interrupt them. And yes, you can have thought patterns too. You can have a habitual way of thinking. You could be a negative thinker. Like if you're not that person, we all know somebody who is like that. No matter what you say to them, their response is going to be something negative because they find negative in every single thing. That is a habit that they are unknowingly stuck in. And because of that, they get more experiences in their world, in their reality that keep them in that negative state of being because their state is negative. They're just in a negative state. But we also have people who have a very positive, very amazing, beautiful outlook on life, and they naturally respond that way. It's a habit for them. And I want to give y'all the definition of habit just so you know. It says a usual way of behaving, something that a person does often in a regular and repeated way. So, what words keep coming up in this video? Habit, pattern, repeat. Okay, so if we reverse engineer that, whatever you are repeating becomes a pattern, and then that pattern becomes autopilot for you. And when it's on autopilot and you can just do it without thinking about it, it is now a habit. So to apply this to manifestation, because that's really what I want y'all to do, to apply this to manifestation, to apply this to your thoughts, it's still the same message across the board. Whatever it is that you are desiring to experience, pay attention to your train of thought. Okay, what are your natural thoughts that you're thinking? What is coming up? What are you doing? Right? Pay attention to those things and then figure out a way to interrupt the pattern that you have that is not in your favor. And this is all, at the end of the day, it's all about your thoughts. It's all about your thoughts, because your thoughts select your reality. Your thoughts select your experience. It's already created. It's already ready, available to you. You just have to use your thoughts to select it. But make it a habit to use better thoughts, or thoughts that are more aligned with the desire. Constantly being stuck in cycles, and these are cycles that I have seen, y'all, but constantly being stuck in cycles of asking a bunch of questions, that's a habit. Asking this forum and this Facebook group and this Discord group and under this YouTube video and under this creator's video, asking all these questions. How can I do this? How can I make this work? How can I manifest this thing? That's a habit. And that habit implies that you don't have what you want. That habit is something that you're just naturally doing because at some point, basically, I feel like when you get bored or you have nothing to be present for, you're not doing anything, right? If you're not washing the dishes or cleaning up, etc. When you have downtime, what are you doing? Going online to go ask 1,000 questions. That's a habit. Interrupt that habit with a different pattern. And you can interrupt that habit with, instead of asking questions about how can you do something, start telling yourself you already have that thing that you're trying to figure out if you can do it or not. Just tell yourself that you have it. Tell yourself that you're going to have it. Tell yourself that you have it right now. Tell yourself how great of a manifester you are, even though you don't have to tell yourself that, because you literally are. You accurately manifest 100% of the time, whether you're trying to or not. Whatever you're focused on, whatever you're repeating, that's what shows up in your reality. That is what you get in your experience, period, point blank. If you're constantly questioning yourself, or you keep saying how you're trying to do something or it's not working for you, that's also a habit. Interrupt that habit with a different pattern. Interrupt that habit with the thought of, oh, this is actually easy for me. Oh, I manifest everything that I want easily and effortlessly. Everything that I want, I get. I have everything that I want right now. It's all about self-awareness. I swear I say these in every video. Self-awareness. Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to what you are repeatedly doing. And if what you are repeatedly doing is not beneficial for you, replace it with something that is beneficial for you. Long story short, make it simple. Replace these habits and these thoughts and these response patterns that don't benefit you with something that does benefit you. If you need help figuring that out, let's have a conversation in the comments about it. Leave your questions down below. I'll help you. Other viewers can help you. But at the end of the day, like, what I realized for myself is sometimes we can have habits that we just are not aware of. And it just takes your awareness of that habit or that pattern to change it. We are literally creatures of habit. We like doing things repeatedly. We do it every day. But when you choose to do something different, something that's more beneficial for you, it feels hard. It's not hard It's just foreign. It's not something you're used to doing. The negativity is on autopilot because that's what's been repeated so many times, and now it's become a habit, and now you naturally just think and act that way. But you can do the opposite. You can do the complete opposite and think in your favor, think more positive thoughts, have more positive inner conversations, replace negative habits with more positive ones, and just repeatedly do that. At the end of the day, you cannot get away from repetition because repetition is literally what your subconscious understands. And whatever you repeat, whatever you're persisting in, whatever you're consistent with, that's what's projected into your reality. In my world, consistency is key. You can't get away from repetition. You can't get away from being consistent. And that is just my own personal belief. If that message doesn't resonate, it is totally fine. But if you have any questions or comments for me, please leave them down below. If y'all have any videos or anything specific that you would like for me to talk about, I would love for you to leave your suggestions down below. If you are interested in getting any type of group coaching, I have a membership that is available on YouTube and it's also available on Patreon. If you are interested in a coaching, like a one-on-one direct kind of coaching, the coaching that I have right now is a 15-minute audio coaching. And basically you fill out the form, you let me know your desire, your affirmations, you just tell me about your situation. I read over everything, I take notes over all of it, and then I send you an audio back giving you affirmations, explaining how you can manifest your thing, just really giving you insight, motivation, reassurance, anything like that. So if any of that is interesting to you or sounds like something you need, check the link in the description below. Other than that, if you watch this video until the end, I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.